I started a new series which name is called Outreach and Getting Clients from Outreach. So this is a part 1 video. I will show you how to set up your outreach system and how to build for your own clients. So first of all, this is a main introduction video. In this video, we will cover all those things with the best for your system and how to can start with the minimum cost. So first of all, we will know about how what is a cold email. So cold email is an unsolicited email sent to someone who has no proper interaction with your business. It's more scalable and less instead than the calling than cloud calling. It's allowed you to target the scene maker directly. So primary use for B2B lead generation, sales prospective, networking and partnerships. A common misconception is that's spam, but when we build the system and personalizing, giving a value and choose the right time and use this tool, it's not a spam, it's a earning machine. So why is effective in 2025? Cold email is highly effective and scalable way to the reach professional clients. Reason for effectiveness: direct access for decision makers, scalability, modernization, personalization, and low cost. So first, we will bypass to the gatekeepers, especially with the platform like LinkedIn, and then other like scalability reach 1,000, hundred of thousand with one message, unlike time consuming and it's cold calling. So personalization is a modern tool allowed to personalize touch like recept name, company name, and a specific challenge. A relevant and tolerance email like less likely to be ignored. And the last is requires a small investment to compare like these paid ads. So main cost is your time. So how to get started? First of all, we need to know about your ICP and main subject line. Third is with the right conclave and valuable email body, follow-ups, strategy, and use cold email tool. So one by one, I will explain it. Getting started to this point. So first of all, we need to know your ideal client profile, ICP. What is this? This is you know exactly what are you targeting. Do not a generic message around random people and random message, random anytime. So proper, you know what is your targeting audience and how to send time. What is a main proper time to sending message, and understanding the pain point, industry, and desired solution built for the persona. So who are they? You need to know about who are they, what are the main pain points, industry, if you target industry, which industry do they work within, what the solution they are looking for, and lastly, use a tool like LinkedIn, Apollo, Hunter.io, GPT to find a decision maker and research perspective. We will coming up video, I will reveal the all tool, how to build the system, and what main tool are using for this, and a lot of other things. So crafting a subject line, you need to proper know your first impression, our main subject line of your campaign name, and they need to be clear, compiling short, less than a 50 character. I think so, more than less than 30. I think so, better. Per 50 be best. Personalize it, create a curiosity with your offer. Examples like high, quick suggestion. This is the type of your subject line. Quick tip for your boost. It's a change like according to your target audience. It's not a general purpose, just for example. And the third one is conceal the valuable email body. Keep it short to the pain point, and provide the intermediate value to the point. I think so. Writing is most effective, and somehow if you are a copywriter, then more best for this campaign writing. So this is more effective for your campaign. Start with the friendly getting and get right to main point. Offer a value immediately, like I especially helping business reduce the customer acquisition cost. So this is the main email body, and just for example, and the last, and to the clear CTA. So then you need to the follow up. Strategically sending one email is not enough. So space out your following follow-ups. Wait for 2-3 days before your first follow-up. So must be, if you send a one email is not enough. You need to follow up after 2 days, and third follow-up 3 days, and the last is 2 days. So if not any answer, you can leave it and change your data sheet list, and then again this we will hope a better answer reply rate. Add a value to the each follow-up, case studies, new articles, additional questions, and keep it friendly, not a pushable. So at the last, use the cold email tool. Manual cold email is time consuming and lot of not possible, I think. So if you reach a 5k people per month per day, you can need to buy a tool and sending through this email. So this is a peak level of per day 5k. You can start with the 1k and 2k. So I think so your initial is best for you if you target 1k or 2k. Use the automated cool email tools to the streamline process. If you buy a tool, then more easy to manage all those things. Like a tool name is instantly.ai, people.ai, Blast, and SmartYard can help the automate the outreach and track the metric. Use data to the weak subject line, copy email, follow-up strategy, and the better result. A/B testing is a different approach to see the what is your best for target audience. If one target audience you not a good response, you can change to another, and I hope it's better for your campaign. So so this is a initial video of this series, and next we will tell you how to set up proper roadmap. So thanks for watching.